Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making some loaded potato soup. So I made some bacon and then I cut up some potatoes. Now in the pot, I put the bacon grease, some onions, added some garlic, some flour. Then I added some water in the pot, added some chicken seasoning. Mixed that up, then added some heavy cream and then added some seasonings. The seasonings that I'm using are adobo, garlic, and black pepper. Now I'm gonna add the potatoes in and let that cook till they get soft. Then I'm gonna be adding some cheese. So I'm just gonna mix that up and then I'm gonna be adding the bacon in and then a little bit more cheese. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, now that it's done, I'm just going to be making my bowl and I'm going to show you how it looks. So of course I had to add some sour cream. Now I'm just going to top it with some bacon, cheese, and some more black pepper.